Hello everyone, we are more than delighted to announce that the 9th Cross-Strait Interpreting Contest cum Roundtable Seminar on Innovations in Interpreter Training in the Era of Artificial Intelligence will be held on May the 20th at the University of Macau. The Roundtable Seminar will explore the latest innovations in interpreter training in the era of AI, and our channel, 驿站 Translator and Interpreter Zone, will be live streaming this lecture series starting from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on May the 20th. The seminar will feature a number of speakers, including interpreting experts, educators, and technology developers. For those who are interested, you can scan the QR code here or refer to the website linked below, as also attached in the description of this video. And now I will briefly introduce the schedule of the roundtable. The seminar will start with an opening remarks at 9 a.m. and then the lecturers to present are Chen Jing from Xiamen University, towards an integrated approach to interpreter training, Zhang Ailing from Shanghai International Studies University, Relay and Retool, the teaching of interpreting into B. Yan Xiu, Jackie from City University of Hong Kong, learner difficulties and coping strategies, an investigation of audio description training in an English to Chinese interpreting program in Hong Kong. Li Liqing, Victoria from University of Macau, interpreting training, insights from neuroscience. Su Wei from Xiamen University, 人工智慧视野下的口译学术论文写作研究。胡宗文 Daniel from Taiwan Normal University. Han Chao from Xiamen University, exploring automatic assessment of students' interpreting performance in the age of artificial intelligence. Wang Lidi from Chinese University of Hong Kong, Shenzhen, the impact of AI technology on interpreter training. Pan Jun Janice from Hong Kong Baptist University, artificial intelligence and interpreting, new possibilities for training and professional development. Chen Ruiqing Wallace from Montreal Institute of International Studies, teaching interpreting online, integrating platforms and corpus tools. Huang Ming from Wuhan University, an exploration of an AI-assisted interpreting competence model. And Zhao Yihui from Xi'an International Studies University, interpreting teaching in digital era, challenges and solutions. Our YouTube and Bilibili channel will be live streaming this seminar starting from 9 a.m. Beijing time on Saturday, May the 20th. You can refer to the details of the above lectures and professors by scanning the QR code here or clicking the links in the video description. Set a reminder and don't miss it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for videos on translation studies and many more to come.